Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to paint another beautiful kurta with a new design. So this is the kurta that we are going to paint today. You can see this is completely blank and this is green. Today's design is inspired by Elpona, which is an art form originating from West Bengal. I'm drawing it completely freehand, as you can see here, and you can definitely go ahead, download any template from Google or Pinterest and use it as a reference. I'm drawing it completely freehand and I have not planned how I'm going to execute. I'm just going to go with the flow. So you can see I have taken white color. This is going to be completely monochromatic artwork because this is a dark shade kurta. White color will look absolutely pretty on this. So there's this one specific technique that I want to show you. I have used it later in this video and which is definitely going to be very helpful to you. So you can see I am drawing different kinds of leaves, dots and swirls, and I'm just going ahead with my intuition. If you have watched the previous videos, you must be knowing that I'm painting a lot of kurtas, and in every kurta I am painting it with a new and different art form. I'm using a 0 number brush from Domes, and the paints that I'm using are Pidilite fabric colors. I will give the link in the description box below so that if you want to purchase, you can go ahead and you don't have to find it. Now during these swooshes, you will see that I am drawing it from outside to inside. Now these are the sections where the paint is equally distributed in all the area, but here you can see first I have drawn my curve and then I will go ahead with these swooshes that I'm going to show you. Now since the kurta is of darker color and white is not an opaque color, you might have to apply multiple layers. I have mentioned this in the Warli painting kurta as well, because in that also white was used, and white is not an opaque color. It is somewhat translucent. So make sure you take a lot of paint while you are painting, otherwise you might have to apply a second layer. Now these are the swooshes that I was talking about. You can see I'm starting from the outside and I'm not picking up any extra paint and I'm just moving it inside. So what I'm doing is I'm applying paint at one point and just spreading it in my desired direction. So why I'm doing this is because this creates a very dramatic shade, and the white is extremely opaque at the outermost part and becomes somewhat lighter as we come inside. So this overall gives a very beautiful shaded effect to the artwork. In this section you will be able to see it properly. Now I have drawn freehand around the neck and then I felt that the entire kurta looks quite empty, so there is this another section of artwork that I am drawing near the pocket section. Now here you can see, here's a close-up. I'm starting from outside and just spreading the paint. Every time I'm picking up paint and just spreading it from outside to inside, and you can see as we go inside the paint becomes lighter and lighter. So this is the shading effect that I was talking about. And you can see every time I'm picking up paint and just going freehand from outside to inside. Just wait to see the final look. This is going to be really pretty. And here is a slow video for better clarity. This kurta is again of a very stiff material and it's not moving, and that's why I do not require any kind of loop to support it. But if your fabric is very thin and if it is moving, if it is not stiff enough, you might have to use the loop. All my kurtas were quite thick, so I did not have to use in any of my videos. I hope you have got a pretty good idea about these swooshes that I was talking about. And now this is the final look of the kurta. This is the design that I have drawn around the neck. And then here is the design at the pocket. This is the final look. Let me know in the comments if you liked it, if you learned something new, and if you want me to keep making more such tutorials. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.